In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a real account on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know how to choose a compatible broker, create your profile, and log into your live trading account right inside the Metatrader 5 platform. First, open your browser and search for Pepperstone. It's one example of a broker that supports Metatrader 5, and using a broker that's MT5 compatible is essential because your login details are tied to the platform version. If you already have a preferred broker that offers MT5, you can use them instead. The process will be very similar. The key is that the broker must explicitly support Metatrader 5 live accounts, not just Metatrader 4. Click the broker's official website in your search results, then look for the Trade Now or similar call to action button. This will take you to the account creation page. You'll typically see options to sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, or continue with your email. Choose the sign up method you're most comfortable with. If you use a social login, your basic details will pre-fill to speed things up. If you use email, you'll enter your information manually and set a secure password. Make sure you select a real or live account if you're aiming to trade with actual funds, not a demo account. Many brokers present both options side by side, so read carefully. Also, be aware that most reputable brokers may ask for basic identity verification at some point to comply with regulations. That's normal for a real account and helps protect you. Once your broker profile is created, your trading credentials for MT5 will be available in your broker's client area or sent to you via a secure confirmation message. Those credentials usually include a login number, a password, and the exact server name for your live account. Keep them safe and never share them publicly. Now, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. On the left side, you'll see the Navigator panel. Find the Accounts section. If the Navigator isn't visible, you can usually show it from the View menu. When you see accounts in the Navigator, right-click it to bring up the Context menu. From there, choose Login to Trade Account. This is the option that connects MT5 to your live broker account so you can place real trades. A login window will appear. In the login field, enter the account number provided by your broker for MT5. In the password field, enter the password associated with that account. Passwords are case sensitive, so type them carefully and avoid accidentally adding spaces. Next, select the correct server from the server dropdown. This part is important. Brokers often have separate servers for demo and live, and sometimes multiple live servers. Choose the exact server name that matches what your broker specified for your account type. If you don't see it, you can start typing the broker name to search or click to add and scan servers. Just make sure you pick the exact one listed in your broker details. When everything is entered correctly, click OK. Metatrader 5 will attempt to connect. Look at the bottom right of the platform for the connection status. A successful login will show increasing data traffic and soon after live price updates in the Market Watch window. You might also hear the confirmation chime when the terminal connects. If you see an invalid account or authorization failed message, double check that you use the MT5 credentials rather than any MT4 details. Verify the server selection and re-enter the password carefully. Small typos or the wrong server are the most common causes of login issues. At this point, you're connected to your real account on Metatrader 5. Keep your credentials secure, consider enabling any additional security offered by your broker, and always confirm you're logged into the live server before trading. That's the full process for opening a real MT5 account, selecting an MT5 compatible broker, and logging into trade.